today's video we are unboxing the June RoccaBox. Hi there guys and welcome. How are you doing? Good, I hope. Like I said, this video is all about the June RoccaBox. Let's open it on up. I've actually wrote this down because my memory is so bad at the moment. So this box costs £15 per month and £3.95 postage. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper the subscription is. I'll leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click. It should get you 50% off your first box. It should. It works for some people. It doesn't work for others. I'm really sorry if it doesn't work for you. I've tried getting in contact with them and apparently there's nothing wrong with the link that I'm using, but yeah, it works for some and not others, so see if it works for you if you want to try this box out. But yeah, this is inside. We have the edit card. On the edit card it just says this edit is called Summer Essentials. We're going to be looking at that throughout the video. It's got all the information about the products on there. No, it hasn't. I am absolutely lying. Oh my god, I did this last month too. It has a QR code on there. I'm going to scan that and get the information that I need. And there is a quick sneak peek. Let's get to it. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So just looking on the edit card, and it says here that this box is worth £117. Wow. So let's start off with the first product, which is this. So this is by the brand xxrevelution and it's Bright Light Radiant Primer. It has an RRP of £15. The best summer accessory is dewy glowy skin. That's why we've secured this innovative primer from our besties at Revolution. It contains cloudberry, cranberry seed oil and rosehip seed oil, a trio of badass moisturising ingredients that will leave your skin glowing. A creamy formula that applies white and dries down to a light reflective finish so you can wear it alone or before your foundation for a summer glow that will turn heads. It is cruelty free and it is vegan. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, love Revolution products. Amazing. It can be very affordable. Oh my god, I literally cannot get in it. Let's just tear this little bugger open. This is what it looks like. Beautiful packaging. Very beautiful packaging. That is stunning. So we have a squeezy tube, but obviously we don't squeeze it. We press the pump down and disperse it that way. I am leaving this sealed. I don't want to make a mess everywhere. And if I start playing with it, that is exactly what's going to happen. But yeah, we'll definitely have to give that a glow. We'll have to give it a glow. No, it'll give us a glow, but we'll have to give it a go. The product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals and it's Sun Protection Body Cream SPF 30. This has an RRP of £79. Oh my god. It just says it's not a summer essential box without SPF. Very true. We've picked this one because it's a combo of mineral and chemical filters which not only protects against UVB rays but also the entire ultraviolet spectrum, e.g. blue and infrared. All of which can cause premature aging of the skin, erythema and even skin cancer. This is your new handbag essential. Yeah, I love Dr. Botanicals, great brand indeed. I have tried a fair few of their products, which is kind of cool. In my information box, there's a few links down there for like discounts and stuff. And yeah, there should be a link there for this brand. You'll get 5% off if you go on their website and buy whatever you want. So if that interests you, go and check it out. But this is what that looks like. Very nice bright packaging. I think this is sealed, yeah, and it's definitely stain sealed. I don't want to be messing around with any of my SPFs, so yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna love it because I love the brand. The third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Manicurist, and it's Green Colours Nail Varnish. Yeah, it's in the shade Red Coral. This has a retail value of £14. If you're looking for a quick, dry, intense pop of colour for your summer mani and pedi, look no further. This polish is made up from 84% bio-sourced ingredients, which are vegan and cruelty free. It's made to last, so it means spending money on the salon pedi is a thing of the past. Speaking of which, I went for a manicure and pedicure today. But yeah, that is an absolute gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I do prefer my gel polishes though, if I am honest with you. But yeah, I do also like using nail varnishes with a gel polish top coat on. Makes them last so much longer. But yeah, what do you think of the colour, guys? The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand jorgobe, jorgobe, I think that's how you say it, and it's squalene hand cream, 15ml, worth £5.50. The summer heat can leave your hands dry and in need of a hit of hydration. We've picked this discovery for your box because it's made with a combo of nourishing ingredients such as vitamin B, plant-based squalene, organic glycerin, I can't speak today, which restores your skin's natural suppleness. It also quickly absorbs and makes your hands silky soft without leaving a greasy surface. It's the perfect summer addition. So yeah, I mean, very good brand, very, very nice indeed. I am leaving this sealed. But yeah, I mentioned this in the last unboxing that I uploaded. I'm a bit sick of hand creams. I have so many hand creams. I don't get excited about hand creams. Very practical product, but when you've got as many hand creams as I've got in my drawer, it's another hand cream. Yeah, what do you think? The fifth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Batiste, and it is dry shampoo. It has an RRP of £3. This is a full-size product. It just says there's no introduction needed with this iconic summer staple. It's the UK #1 dry shampoo for a reason. This special edition will bring your pool party hair back to its former glory in just a few sprays. Plus it smells delicious. Yeah, cool. I have one or two of these, not this particular one, but I have used this particular one in the past. But I do have a few Batiste dry shampoos in my drawer. Not the best dry shampoo in the world at all, but they are so affordable. They're great. They are great because they're so affordable, but they are a lot more better dry shampoos out there. But when you're in a pinch and you're on a budget, it does come very, very handy indeed. What dry shampoos do you like using? But yeah, also, what are your thoughts on this brand? So this is my June RoccaBox. What do you think? Personally, it's an okay box. It's all right. So the star of the show has to be this, the Dr. Botanicals, because it's an expensive product. And it's, yeah, the sun protection body cream. That's definitely going to come in useful. So really happy to get that. Can't wait to try it. We have the primer thingy-majiggy here. That's nice. As a rule, I'm not really into primers, but I am recently, the last few months, trying to get back into using them because I actually have loads and I want to get through them. The nail varnish, yeah, it's nice. Not personally a colour, if I was in a shop and I was to choose, not a colour that I would personally choose, but it is very, very pretty. The hand cream, this hand cream. And yeah, bit of dry shampoo. always a very useful product to have tucked away for when you need it at a pinch. So yeah, it's an alright box. I'm not really getting excited about by anything there, but yeah, what do you think? Comment down below your thoughts. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.